How to fix Snapchat director mode not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Snapchat's director mode isn't working on your phone, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that may solve the problem. Let's get started. First, open Snapchat and tap the arrow icon on the right side of the camera screen. Try opening director mode from there to see if it's working. If the feature still isn't available, open the Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. If you see an update button, tap it and install the latest version of the app. Running an outdated version can sometimes cause certain features to stop working or disappear. If updating doesn't fix the issue, try using a VPN. If the feature is limited in your region, changing your virtual location with a VPN may help make it available. That's it. These are the most effective ways to fix Snapchat director mode if it's not working on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.